Welcome to WebShare Academy. Today I'll show you how to set up a proxy in BitBrowser. Let's start. First, on the BitBrowser dashboard, open Proxy IP settings. Click on Proxy Management tab and add a new proxy. Now you will need to enter proxy server details. You can get 10 free proxy servers from WebShare by signing up. On the WebShare dashboard, open Proxy List. We choose this proxy address. Left-click on the proxy address field and paste it into BitBrowser host field. Do the same with port, username and password field. Check if the proxy connection is successful and confirm the changes. To connect to this proxy server, open Browser Profiles and add a new profile. Give it a simple name and generate a random fingerprint. Then scroll down until you see Proxy Settings. Switch method to Proxy Management and select the proxy server you set up earlier. Confirm the changes and that's it. You can start a new session by clicking Open. If you run into any problems, let us know in the comments and we will help you.